Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start in Settings because Safari's private options live there. Tap Settings, then scroll and open Safari. Once there, look for the private browsing toggle and tabs controls. You do this now to avoid opening Safari first, which can hide some options. Make sure your device runs a supported iOS version. If not, update in General Software Update. Once done, you'll be ready to change privacy settings and control how private windows behave. You now enable private browsing and tighten settings. In Safari settings, switch on private browsing or choose new tabs open in private to make future tabs private by default. Then, enable block all cookies or prevent cross-site tracking to reduce tracking. These affect site functionality, so test pages after. Adjust search engine suggestions and turn off autofill to avoid storing queries and form data. Once you've configured these, private tabs will limit history, cookies, and search traces. Finish by opening Safari and verifying a private tab is active. You'll see a darker or gray interface and no URL history. If a site fails to load or features break, temporarily disable block all cookies for that site, because strict blocking can break logins or content. If settings don't seem to take effect, restart your device and recheck Safari settings. That restart resolves minor glitches. If problems persist, update iOS and retry the steps to ensure compatibility.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.